children, today we are going to read our 30th book from the incredible Peppa Pig collection of 50 storybooks. Shall we see what it is going to be today? It's Pedro's cough. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more and more videos from Peppa Pig, Bluey, Cocomelon and lots of puzzle books. Shall we read Pedro's cough now? Pedro's cough. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly handed Dolly, sings Madame Gazelle. What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I will ring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car and drives straight to playgroup. I have got a cough, says Pedro when Dr. Bear arrives. It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear, but it may be so catching, so we will give you some medicine. Oh, cries Pedro, it tastes like an old shoe full of jam. So the sheep and Danny dog start to cough too. Oh, I thought so. Pedro's cough is catching. He gives them both same cough medicine. Ugh, it tastes of carpet flavored yogurt, says Susie. Yuck, it tastes of flour, says Danny. Do you ever get ill? Dr. Brown Bear asks Peppa. I am never ill because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brown Bear. Soon it is home time and the parents arrive to pick up the children. I have got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brown Bear came to look after us, says Danny. All the adults start coughing too. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brown Bear, now all the grown-ups are ill, she says. Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take the cough medicine. It tastes like custard and old socks, cries Madame Gazelle. All the grown-ups must take the medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine. Who looks after you when you are ill? Asks Peppa. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brown Bear. I am never... Oh, Dr. Brown Bear has caught Pedro's cough too. Who will look after Dr. Brown Bear? Gasped Peppa. Poor Dr. Brown Bear is taken to hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has brought some fruit. Susie has brought the medicine. Open wide, says Susie. Ugh, cries Dr. Brown Bear. It tastes like jammy yogurt flavored carpet shoe with flavory custard old socks. Soon Dr. Brown Bear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after. Even Dr. Brown Bear. The end. That was an interesting story about Pedro's cough and everybody's cough, isn't it? Hope you all enjoyed reading this book. See you soon on another interesting book. Until then, bye. Please click the link button if you like to watch more videos from us. Bye-bye.